Hello everyone, I wanted to show you this masterpiece. And I think if you're a fan of this TV series, then you should know where this is from. If not, I will tell you. It is from the series The 100. It's the flame box with, of course, the flame. This one is the transparent one. And it is spelled Ali 2.0. I also have a white one. It's the same, but it's white. And we designed it ourselves, printed it ourselves, and painted it ourselves. Just like in the TV series. It's very, very old. Wink, wink. Sorry. Bad sense of humor. If you really like this item, you can go to Etsy, Shirley cosplays. There you can find this masterpiece because every fan should have this in their possession, I think. I also have the keychain and the necklace if you would like that. So maybe I'll see you there.